guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to do a short video on some parts I had ordered. I had a lot more ordered, but we kind of canceled that order. They're on back order. Been on back order now for 4 months, but that's headers and neck pipe I had ordered. But anyway, I plan on putting small brakes on my car so I can get a smaller size rim on it, more tire, more sidewall to get a little better bite. So I got the calipers that's on the cylinder Camaros and the rigging the brakes to go with it and the hardware. I think the LT ones probably have these same brakes on them too. Anyway, I get these put on, we'll see what we can get on for a rim. I was hoping probably still only get a 17-inch rim, but it'd be nice if you could get a 16-inch rim on it. But whatever you pay in these, you're going to save in the price of tires, because drag radials for 20-inch wheels are crazy. We'll catch you in the next one.